It's exactly 1 week after braiding this mini braid, and I want to do a length check. So I don't usually do like a detailed length check video, but since I got a comment and Shirel Johnson said I must do a length check, and then I'm like, okay, you know what? I got you, baby girl. I'm here for you guys. So I know my hair is braided already, but I'm still going to do the length check because that's what this video is all about. I'm going to do my hair care routine on how I maintain my mini braid, and at the end of the video I'm going to be doing the length check. So I don't know, I'm going to do it. Maybe I'll do a length check for the front and one of the hair strand at the back. I don't know if I have to take it down and do the length check or just measure it like that for you guys to see the inches that baby girl is right now. So, but anyways, yeah, that's what I'll be doing in this video. So if this is what you'd love to watch, consider watching this video to the end, and because you're going to learn how to maintain your hair and also how to retain the length of your hair if you've been struggling to grow your hair. I am a living proof that your relaxed hair can actually grow healthy and long, not just long, also thicker. So you don't want to go anywhere. Watch the video to the end, okay? And share the video to others that are interested in content like this. So let us dive into the video. The back view of the hair. Let's see, this is how I've protected it. Then we're going to show you guys all the products that I'll be using. So first is this water. Okay, I'm going to spray this water on the hair strands and the scalp, then I massage it a bit. So it's just a little that I need to just hydrate the hair. So yes, if you also have hair mist or you have any Ayurvedic hair tea, you can use that. So but at the moment I don't have that, so I'm using water, which is the first thing I'll be using. You want to make sure that you sprinkle the ends of the hair as well. So guys, the next thing I'm using is my leave-in conditioner, and I'll just take a little amount of it is all I need. And the reason for this is because my nails are popping out and it's kind of dragging my hair strands out of the braid, so I have to wear this so that I'll protect it because I don't have time to cut the nails now. So I'm gonna take just a little is what I need. Then this is going to the hair strands alone, not the scalp, okay? So the hair strand, the ends, you need to the end of the hair, carry the other part. So the next thing I'm using is my hair serum. You guys, you know that I'm loving it already. That's what I want to use. On the norms, I'll use my Ayurvedic hair oil, but this is only going to my hair strands. So I'm using my hair serum for that now. So my Ayurvedic hair oil is just going to be applied on my scalp, while I use this one for the hair strand to seal up the moisture that I just applied now. So For these two, a little goes a long way. Next is the Ayurvedic hair oil I'll be applying on my scalp. Next is to massage the scalp. So you can either use your scalp massager or you use the tip of your finger like this to massage it like this, you see, or this one, you use like this. So whichever one you have available. And for the fishtail length, you guys know that I had, it has really improved, and this is as a result of constant massaging and detailed focusing on this part of my hair. Yeah, because it was as if I wasn't focusing on that area. Like, this center is always a lot, like it's usually thicker, and stretching your hands, I don't know how to explain it, but I felt like I wasn't putting too much effort here. So now I take my time to apply my oil and massage this part very, very well, because that's the place that it's usually, it doesn't grow longer, so it makes me have that fishtail kind of look. But now it has really improved, and yeah, so I'll massage this and come back. So guys, to round up the whole process, I use this shea butter only at the tip of the hair, because I feel like, I don't know why I feel that way, but I just feel like if I've not used this shea butter at the tip, my routine is not complete. So, but it's not compulsory. You can either use your hair oil, serum, or shea butter. You can just pick one out of it, but I'm using the shea butter for the tip. Okay, so yeah. So it's time to do the length check here, and I'll be using this tape rule to do the measurement. So let's see what inches I am currently, and see how far I need to go to get to waist length. I don't know if I should take down the braid or just measure it like that. I think I'm just going to measure it like that. So, mhm. Measure it. Three, this is the. I think I should do it again. So guys, it's always at 18. Like, it's 18 inches So as for the back, let me take one from the front. Okay. Yeah, 18. Guys, I think 18 it is, okay? So let's just say the whole length is 18 inches. Abby. So now you've seen that the length of my hair is 18 inches. How long is it? Well, it's long, 18 inches. Do you think it's long or it's short? Let me know in the comment section. Is this long or short or medium length? And remember, this is 18. I'm going to 26 inches. So how far? So I need more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I need 8 more inches to get to 26 inches. I doubt it that's gonna happen this December. But anyways, yeah. So this is the final view of the length. This is how my routine goes for maintaining my mini braid. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope we'll be able to reach that 26 inches, which I know I don't think so. I can get to that 26 inches, but probably not this year, December. Yeah, so, but anyways, we're here, we're not going anywhere. So just stay tuned. Make sure that your notification bell is turned on so that whenever I post new updates, you'll be the first to get notified. So yeah, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and share the video to anyone I'm interested in content like this. But before I go, I want to show you guys the new stuff I bought for my hair. So I wanted to get the microfiber towel because I ordered this from Temu, but I was unable to get that. So it's only this one I got. But I'll still order the microfiber towel. So this is what I finally, after a long time of hearing that we shouldn't use the normal this thing, I finally got the professional hair scissors. I wonder what the difference is with the normal one that we use. But anyways, I got a new professional scissors. So this is how it came with the comb. So I don't know what I'll use that comb for. This is it. Very, very sharp. Very sharp. So now if I'm gonna be trimming my hair, this is what I'll be using to trim my hair. Although I've already trimmed my hair for this year, so until the next time I'll be trimming my hair, which will be probably on my next relaxer day or after 6 months. Okay, I don't do trimming except maybe I want to do hair dusting of the ends, then I can use it. So can you guys guess how much I got this? Guess it. Okay, then I'll pin the price in the comment section after some hours of uploading the video. But yeah, so but I got this from Timo. So and this is the second time I'm ordering something from Timo, and the things I've gotten are actually nice. Although a particular one that came, it wasn't. It's the type of what I ordered versus what I got. This is a comb. What will I use this for? Probably just for brushing off my edges. Cause I don't know what this gonna stand for. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.